How are
Hi,
you?
I am fine. And how are you? Long time no see.
Not bad, thank you. Yeah, it's been quite a long time.
Quite a long time.
How long
Yes.
has it been?
2 or 3 months, maybe 90 days.
Oh, okay, not that long.
Yeah. So everything is fine there.
Yeah,
Good,
everything's
good.
fine. Everything's the same. Nothing has changed. Oh, well, I mean, I moved, but besides that, nothing has changed.
Okay, okay. So, and your background is changed.
Yeah, my background changed because I moved.
Good, good, good.
I
And
just wanted to check to see the last
yeah,
time.
my semester starts right now, and I am in final year.
Oh,
And
okay. Yeah, okay.
yeah, so
Uh-huh.
after 7 or 8 months, uh, I will be a graduate in engineering, in an engineering.
Okay. So you're gonna graduate as an engineer.
Yes.
Okay. And
And yeah, I want to do a decent job in my fields.
you haven't been doing any work like while you were in school? You didn't find a job or like,
No, actually, the here in Indian culture, there are many people who doesn't work during school or during college, but nowadays they are working for websites or online jobs, especially besides study.
okay, what about internship?
Yeah, yeah, also, yeah, internship. Yeah, there are many more people, many more students take internship during college. So I think by that they can manage
Okay,
some
but
fees.
does your school not offer any internship programs?
Yeah, they are offering. Yeah,
You don't want to do it.
yeah, exactly.
Why?
Actually, I do not find any interest there.
Okay, are you gonna find interest after you graduate?
Yeah, sure, sure. Yeah, exactly. And in the last semester, I will do.
Okay, okay.
Now I am in
When
seventh
does the
semester.
final, pardon me.
I'm in seventh semester, and the in eighth semester, that is the last semester
Okay,
of
and
my
when does the
course.
final semester begin?
It will start in January.
January. Oh, okay, that's like in America at the same time.
Okay, yeah. So, and yeah, I have an interesting topic to talk with you.
Okay.
So, uh, would you rather to, if you are provided a superpower, that
You
would
asked
you
me this
rather,
already.
but it is another one.
Okay, go.
I think it is quite interesting for you also.
Okay.
That would you rather to talk with the animals or speak all the languages around the world? So which
I
one
want to talk
do
to
you
animals
choose? Animals. Yeah, yeah. I guess it. I'm gonna guess it. So and why?
because I want to know what they're thinking and how they're feeling and what's hurting or is something
Yeah,
hurting?
exactly.
Are you
True,
okay?
true.
You know?
Yeah, and also, yeah, in personally, I will choose for the first one, that is talk to the animals, because as you know that I feed some dogs and they
Yeah.
have some problems, so they quarrel with each other. So sometimes I can interrupt with them, and also I can solve it.
What do you mean? Like they fight?
Yeah, they fight each other and they quarrel with each other. So that's why.
Okay, but you deter it, right?
Yeah. I and I'm and yeah, recently I have two kitten. So my question is, sometimes I notice that they are moving around in my feet. So why?
In
What
your
is the
feet?
reason?
What do you
Yeah,
mean?
moving around my feet.
Oh, and they kind of like rub against your leg?
Yeah, yeah, and scratch
Oh,
the things. So they are hungry for that. I mean to say,
they're hungry or maybe something is bothering. After you feed them, if they're still doing it, you can take it to the vet and just be like, that you need an x-ray. I don't think those are very expensive in your country either, because
yeah,
here they're super cheap. I mean, I always have a cage ready, so just in case like there's an animal in need, I kind of like trap them and take them to the vet. Like, here, I need an x-ray.
Okay, so that's
Yeah.
why they are expressing their thoughts like
Yeah,
that,
I don't think
scratching the.
there's anything wrong with it. They're probably just hungry or thirsty, you know?
Okay,
So always have
see,
like food and water. And you know, cats only eat like, what do you give the cat to eat? Because I know you're a
milk,
veg, huh?
milk,
Milk.
yeah, milk,
You don't
milk.
give them any food?
Yeah,
Because
milk
they
and
don't eat
rice.
bread. They eat rice? Cats.
Yeah, they eat and cake also, sweets.
Oh, okay. I've never met a cat that eats like anything bready because they always want like meat. So me,
Yeah, fish
I
also. I provide them fish also,
oh,
fishes.
okay, good. Yeah. You know, cat
Sometimes,
food
sometimes,
isn't
yeah, sometimes
healthy.
chickens also. Chicken, piece of chicken. Yeah, I provide them.
Oh, okay. Okay, good.
So is it good for them, na? Right?
Yeah.
Is it good? Okay. Because do you have
I
a
have
lovely
a
dog?
dog. I have a dog and I also care for a cat
Okay, so
and some
yeah, you
dogs.
know about things. You can deal with them.
Yeah, yeah. I I I wouldn't say deal. I like caring for them,
Yeah,
you know?
caring. You can take care for them.
Yeah, I can
Very,
take care of
yeah,
them.
lovely.
Yeah.
And oh yeah, that's the reason.
Well, I mean, it could be or it could not be. You know, I don't
Okay,
speak cat. So you have to like after you
okay,
give them
it
food, if they're
depends.
still doing it, then there might be something else that is bothering them.
Yeah, maybe. And so, what is going on there? Everything is fine about the corona situation, stuff like that.
Yeah. I don't really know because I haven't been following it so much anymore. And I live in an apartment complex, so here inside the complex, no one wears a mask. Only when
Okay.
we're like, for example, if I need to
Outside.
leave the complex and go into like a supermarket, then I put my
Okay.
mask on.
Okay. So I think it is going to be well.
Yeah, I think so. Are you vaccinated?
But same question.
Oh, you asked it too? Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. I have got vaccinated. First dose has been done, and the second one will be in November.
Okay, so you have your first dose.
Yeah.
Okay.
And are you done with two
Yes,
doses?
I am. Mhm.
Oh, so you are fine.
Yeah.
And the Pfizer is right? Pfizer.
Yeah.